Hello everyone. I'm so sorry I said in the previous video that you will be getting this eye video, how to make a eye for amigurumi or soft toys, and it actually I delayed a lot, I know, but I was not well, so I'm extremely sorry for the delay. So today here I am up with this video. So today we will see how to make an eye for the soft toys or squish or amigurumi. So as you can see, we basically need three colors: white, black and the middle color. This you can change to anyone. In fact, you can make it vice versa also. You can put black over here and any color over here. That also looks good. But this white is like it will be there. So let's start. We will take 5 chain crochet and try to take this yarn quite thinner, then this is simultaneously as thin as this, and take this one as a bit thicker. So starting with the black part, middle part, 1 2 3 4 5, then join first and the last chain crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, so now here as you can see we are getting a very small hole, only a needle can pass through it. See, because of joining first and the last stitch we are getting this small hole. Okay, now we will be taking double crochet. First we will take 1 2 and 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will take double crochet stitches from that small hole, small circle we have got. Number can be any number. You can any number can number can vary. You can take as much as double crochet stitches from that hole. Only thing is the initially we have taken 3 chain crochet stitches. We need to reach near that. So just go on taking double crochet stitches as much as you can take. And yeah, of course needle, as I have told you that for the inner part take a bit thin yarn. So needle I am using is 2.5 mm. So you can use as per whatever yarn you are using. As per that please choose the needle. Try to take a bit thinner one. Just go on taking double crochet stitches. Any number will do, only you have to reach near the initially 3 chain crochet stitches you have taken. Please ignore background noise. My kids are playing, so there is a lot of noise. I'm so sorry for that. See, as you can see, I'm approaching those 3 chain crochet stitches I've taken earlier. Then join your starting 3 chain crochet stitches with the last double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. So here we are getting a small circle. Okay, now we will take one again starting with 2 chain crochet stitches. See, now we will take 1 double crochet stitch from that same loop where we have taken two chain crochet stitches. Then in next one, so this is like two double crochet. We will treat those two chain crochet stitches as a double crochet stitch. So we have taken two double crochet stitches in one loop. So in next loop we will be taking one double crochet stitch. Okay, next loop again two double crochet stitches in same. Now one double crochet in next. So the pattern is going to be 1 2 1 2. See, same pattern we have to go all over the round, and this is the last round. So it's 1 2 1 2 1 2. See, I have completed that 1 2 1 2 pattern, and I have reached to the initial 3 chain crochet stitches I have taken. Now the last one and the first 3, the last double crochet stitch and the first 3 chain crochet stitch I will join with a slip stitch. So I am getting a circle over here. Okay, just make sure for both eyes make same sizes. See, same. Okay, now we will do this part. We will keep this apart and just try to leave a bigger yarn. Just cut a bigger yarn, because like we need to stitch this eye on this part, this black part on this. So we have to stitch it by needle. So we'll just cut a bigger yarn, a bigger tail. Okay, so we are done with this. Now again starting with the slip stitch. Now we will make chain crochet stitches. Now how many chain crochet stitches? We will just make a 1 2. We are just going to make chain crochet stitches that when we join first and the last stitch, we should get a circle of nearby this, so that we can stitch this black part on this. So a circle which will come over here. Now see, we will join first and the last and we will just see how much is the circle. First and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, this was a black part. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, now we will take 2 chain crochet stitches after joining. Then in every single loop we will take 2 double crochet stitches. So we will go on taking 2 double crochet stitches in every single loop. Now we will be dividing this circle into 2 halves. Just mark those 2 ends. So lower half we will take 1 single crochet stitch in one loop, and in upper half we will take 2 single crochet stitch in one loop. Now see, lower half single stitch, a single crochet stitch in each loop, upper half 2 single crochet stitch in each loop. Okay, so we again close a first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and see, now we will stitch this black part. Now see, I have stitched this black part on this colored one. Before stitching, I have placed its position a bit lower side, downside, and then I have stitched it. So I am getting more this other color portion more over here. This portion is more visible, same here, and they both are same, as you can see. Just try to make equal. Now we will go for the white part. White part is also almost same. We will take chain crochet stitches, and that chain crochet stitches we will join first and the last one and turn it into a circle. So that circle should come somewhere here. Okay, so like we can stitch this, like we stitch the black part on this, so we will stitch this part on the white part, and it is same, process is same. See, we are again taking chain crochet stitches. See, we are again taking chain crochet stitches in white color, and now we will join first and the last, and we will just check whether this much is enough. And we are getting this big circle.
Where's the bin?
Here. Now see, we have got this much big circle, and we will just check. This is the back side, so we'll just place it over here. Yeah, this much is enough, because rest of the part will come this side, and we can stitch this on white part. Now we will be taking one double crochet stitch in one loop, next loop 2 double crochet stitches. So it's going to be 1 2 1 2 1 2 for the whole round, and starting with 2 chain crochet stitches. So it's like 1 2, and in the same loop I am taking a double crochet stitch. Okay, now I will treat this 2 chain crochet as my first double crochet stitches. So these are 2 double crochet stitches in one loop. So in next loop it is going to be 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, so it's going to be again 1 in next. Now next it will be 2 double crochet stitches in one loop. Now see, I've done with my white one, 1 2 1 2 1 2, 1 double crochet in one stitch, one loop, and 2 double crochet in next loop. So as I told you to take this, to take thinner yarn and this take a bit thicker, so automatically this comes bigger. Can you see? And try to stitch every circle and try to pull it downside. Okay, now see, I have done with this 1 2 1 2, 1 double crochet in one loop, next loop 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in one loop, next loop 2 double crochet. After that, like we have to divide this into 2 parts. Lower part we won't do anything, and only upper part we will take 1 single crochet in each loop. Lower part we are not supposed to do anything, we will leave it like that. Only upper part we will take 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet in each loop. Now see, half, 1 single crochet in each loop, and now we will join this. So I'll just stitch it up so you can have a complete view of this. and like we will again leave a long thread so that we can stitch this complete eye on whatever we are making. So this is how our eyes look like. This we can use in any amigurumi dolls or anywhere. See. So this is our eyes look like. We have to stitch this black on other color, this on white. Same here, make a square or any design over here. Same on both sides, same sides. So we are done with the eyes. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.